Just 10 minutes in a hot car can kill your dog. Imagine a 30 degrees Celsius day, and your car's temperature skyrockets to 50 degrees Celsius in no time, even with the windows cracked. Dogs can't sweat like we do. They rely on panting to cool down, and that just isn't enough. Heat stroke can set in quickly, leading to brain damage or worse. Every summer, too many dogs lose their lives because someone thought it was just a quick errand. Don't let your furry friend be another statistic. If you can't take them with you, leave them at home. It's a simple choice that could save their life. Share this message and help protect our beloved pets.